Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we share with you another Girl of the Year 2022 Corinne craft. See how to make her hot cocoa drink, mug and thermos using the simplest of materials. This quick craft is just what your dolls need after some chilly outdoor activity, and it's perfect for sharing. If you enjoy this video, we'd love it if you hit that like button and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For the thermos and mugs, you will need a few toilet rolls. Take one roll and trim it to 7 centimeters. Cut down the middle to open the roll, then reduce the width. This piece will form the inner tube of the thermos. From recycled paperboard, cut or punch lots of circles. You want to make 2 stacks at least 8 discs thick. Generously apply glue to both ends of your toilet roll, then wrap it around your stacked discs, one at each end, to close up the tube. Then seal the side with sticky tape. Take a second toilet roll and trim it to be 6.5 centimeters high. As before, cut through the middle to open the roll. Place your first tube inside and mark where the roll overlaps. Cut away the excess paperboard, then glue the outer case around the inner tube, making sure both tubes are flush at the bottom. Like we did before, seal the side with sticky tape. To create the mouth of the thermos, punch, stack and glue small circles of paperboard to be at least 1 centimeter thick. Adhere to the center top of your inner tube. Now cut 2 thin strips of poster board. Glue one to the bottom of the flask and the other at the top of the outer case. For a lid, we use the cap from a large glue stick. We cut away 1 centimeter from the bottom to make it smaller. Now paint your thermos and lid silver. Next, cut a strip of cardstock to wrap around the thermos. Find the center point and cut or punch a circle. To match AG's color scheme, we painted our cardstock in gloss dark blue. The Ski Aspen logo was screenshot from an AG promotional picture, copied and printed out. Glue to the back of your cardstock, making sure the logo is clearly visible through the window. Then glue the strip to the outer case. Perfect! Your thermos is all done! Let's make the mugs. Take another toilet roll and cut 2 smaller tubes from it. Cut each tube in half and roll them tighter to reduce the circumference. Secure on the inside with glue or sticky tape. To close off the bottom, glue your rolls to paperboard. When dry, trim away the excess. For the outside of the mug, cut a strip of white, if possible glossy, paper. Find the center point and cut or punch a circle. As with the thermos, glue a printout of the logo to the back side of your paper. Now wrap and adhere the strip to your mug. Add a handle made from poster board and a thin blue strip of cardstock around the rim. We can now make the cocoa drink. Prepare your cup to become a mold by draping it with a sheet of cling wrap. Take a few tissues, separate the ply and place in a bowl. Pour in a generous amount of liquid glue and mix to coat all the tissues. They will clump and reduce in volume. Push your tissues into the cup, making sure they are tightly compacted to fill the whole mold. Remove the cling wrap and set aside your tissue cylinder to dry. Repeat the same steps for your other mug. To make this a chocolate drink, paint all over with brown paint. For our whipped cream dollop, we mixed white paint, glue and a tissue. You can see this done in detail in our DIY cupcakes video. Just click the card top right. Once the cream dollops are dry, glue them to the top of your chocolate cylinder. Paint with a few coats of gloss Mod Podge to bring back the shine. Simply pop your hot cocoa drink into the mug when your doll is thirsty. Fantastic! The set is complete! From humble toilet rolls and tissues, we now have a super cute hot cocoa drink, mug and thermos, perfect for Corinne to take to the ski slopes. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!